Hey guys, Sakpase. Welcome back to my channel. I am Erda and how do you do? So for today's video, we're actually gonna do a DIY African black soap and Fenugreek shampoo. As you can see, as of right now, I'm using leftover fenugreek from the last fenugreek oil that you guys saw me did. I think I told you guys not to throw it away, but I'm not 100% sure. So you're gonna take those remaining seeds, put them in water for about 24 hours. So 24 hours, well actually 2 days and a half, 3 days later, this is how it is looking like. And I'm just gonna strain it. If you want to, feel free to do it. If you don't want to, I mean, there's no need. After you have drained them, do not throw the seeds away because we are still gonna continue to reuse them to the fullest on my next video. And also don't forget to like and comment this video, and also subscribe, help a sister out, help me reach 1K so I can be monetized. Okay, so I just put in the microwave. Next we move on to the African black soap. There are two different type of African black soap that I know of. I'm not sure if there's more, if there isn't, but the one I'm using is the one with that's not smooth. It looks like, you know, it has the leaf, or you can still see everything in it. There's one, I think it's like processed. I'll put a picture of it somewhere. It's not organic. Don't use that one. Do not use that one on your natural hair. So make sure you have the one from an actual African store, or one that looks like the one I'm using right now. Now just put it back in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds and let it sit until the soap is completely melted. This is not wild growth. That is the oil I made before. In the beginning, I forgot to tell you guys not to put a lot of water, because me personally, I wash my hair about twice a month in the winter. In the summer, it's hot. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm not sure how long the Fenugreek water is willing to last, so I only use this shampoo twice a month for 1 month, and then I threw it away and redo the whole thing. For me, there wasn't a lot to throw away, because I have younger siblings that also have natural hair. That's what they use. So don't do a whole lot, just do a little bit, so you can keep on doing it every month if you want to, or if you see that it's going bad or it's smelling bad, stop it and just redo the whole thing again. And don't forget to check the description box for the benefits of the African black soap and the Fenugreek.